How to link GoTyme to PayPal. Here's how to link your GoTyme Visa card to PayPal so you can withdraw earnings directly. So step 1, make sure to verify both accounts. PayPal requires a confirmed email and card while GoTyme needs a valid ID and selfie verification. Now go ahead and open up the PayPal app on your device and then go ahead and sign in to your account. And then once you're done with that, you get redirected into your dashboard. So this is how the dashboard look like. And then click on this menu button at the top left of your screen, and then under the menu section you should find wallet. So click on it. So under the wallet tab, you should find all of the linked cards and bank accounts on your PayPal account. So click on this link a card button and then go ahead and enter your GoTyme card number into the section, add your expiration date and CVV from that card, and then click on this link card button. So after this, you should be able to send money directly from PayPal to GoTyme.